How's it going, everyone? Welcome to another video. For this video, it is brought to you by the subscribe button. Make sure you smash it, crush it, kill it, destroy it, obliterate it, nuclearize it, do whatever you gotta do. Just destroy, just annihilate the subscribe button. RIP. Anyways, for this video, I wanted to bring the topic that you probably are already aware of, which is gas prices.
Gas prices way too high. Gas prices way too high. I'm the truth and the boo. Take my picture. I'm a winner.
Calm down. Calm down. What if I told you there is an application that you can use that will actually help you release stress of those crazy prices for gas? I know, right? It's crazy, right? Well, this application actually does exist. It's called GetUpside. Make sure you download it. It's available in the Google Play Store as well as the App Store. It's completely free and I highly recommend it. So when you open up the application GetUpside, at the top you're going to have a map. And at the bottom is going to be a whole list of different gas stations close to your area that have discounts for the application. All you have to do is check in on one of those different gas stations. Pick the one that you like, pick the one that's closest or has the best price, because the prices do vary. Maybe a gas station, maybe 5 blocks away, might be giving you 5 cents off, and one that is a little bit further might be giving you 11 cents or even more, who knows. It differs, so calculate that, and prices do also vary depending if it's a regular gas, premium, so on and so forth. Like normal, you do everything like normal at the pump, and then at the end, either A, it will tell you, you have to wait and it will do it all automatically, or 2, you will have to scan the receipt on GetUpside, the application, for evidence that you actually did pay with the tier of gasoline that you selected and used the card that you linked to your account, and you're just filling up gas, okay? That's all I'm saying. You're filling up gas and you're just putting on the application, yep, I'm picking this gas station. Yes, I did it. That's all you're doing. It's that easy. It's so simple. It's so easy. It's crazy. And let's say, for example, if by any means, if you mess up and you click a gas station by accident, you can always unclaim it at the top right of the screen, and you're good to go. Like you're fine. You're Louis Vuitton, you're Gucci, you're Supreme. You know what I mean? You're fine. Select the gas station you wanted to select from the beginning, and get the show on the road on the savings. So I forgot to mention this. I don't know why. I have a lot of things on my mind. But on the application GetUpside, on the left-hand side of the screen, you will actually see the 3 lines. Click on it, then you see cash out. Click on that. You can actually get direct deposit. You can also withdraw with PayPal. You can get gift cards for like Domino's. You get some Domino's. So it's actually really cool. Like, really cool. Seriously. And what I highly recommend you do, a little secret, okay? Okay, let me just tell you a little secret real quick. Listen closely. A lot of people don't know about this, but I'm gonna mention like a few things, okay? So listen closely.
Hear me out, dude.
Number 1, in this video's description, there's actually either a URL, or 2, or a referral code, or might be both. But if you actually sign up to GetUpside with these things, which you'll be supporting me, but you will also be receiving something in return. That is right. So that's pretty cool. Don't forget to do that. Don't just download it randomly in the App Store. No, get a little bit more out of it. If you don't want to use my code, there's plenty of other codes out there on Google. It helps you, trust me. But if you want to make even more cha-ching, dollar, all you have to do when you're at the gas station, make sure you get your receipt. With that receipt, you're going to have a different application, which is called Fetch Rewards. I have a whole video set on it. I will leave it in the description down below if you want to check the video out. But for this application, all you do, the Fetch Rewards one, you scan the receipt, it will give you points, and the points, you use it to get gift cards like for Walmart, Amazon, so on and so forth. Not only that, it doesn't end there. Number 3, when you actually pay at the pump, I highly recommend you actually use a cash back credit card, and you will actually be earning on your earnings. On your earnings. That's crazy. So you'll be saving money at the gas pump. 1, by using GetUpside, the application. 2, by scanning your receipt. And 3, by paying with your credit card. That gives you cash back. This is a madness. It's crazy. You know, that's all I could tell you, man. This is crazy. This is ridiculous. You know what I'm saying? I was panicking before. Right now, I'm just like, yo, dude. There's so many loopholes. There's probably even more that I don't even know of yet. But I'm just gonna let you know. I'm gonna spill the tea. And I'm gonna let you know. But anyways, that's it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. A lot of savings that maybe you didn't know about. So hopefully this helped you out. I would greatly appreciate it if you actually subscribe and you hit that like button. But more videos to come. Peace out, guys. Have a good one, everybody. Now it's dark. Boo. I really need to go to sleep. But I also forgot to mention that GetUpside is not just for gas stations, for gasoline. It's also for restaurants and groceries. Well, they're slowly moving into that area. In my area, there's not really that many restaurants or grocery shopping places that offer GetUpside. That's probably why I didn't mention it, but maybe in your area it's better. Just thought I would mention that. I'm gonna go to sleep. Use my code in the description down below. GetUpside. Alright, good night.